Hey, beautiful person, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to try to help you fix Crime Boss crashing and launching issues. I'm going to share with you what I've tested myself and it worked for a lot of games. I tested this and it worked, and I applied and it worked for a lot of games. So make sure you watch this until the very end and leave your results in the comment section. So also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. I will really appreciate it. Subscribe right now. I really appreciate it. And like this video. And also leave your results in the comment section. As I said, I would really like to see, your results. So yeah, now let's jump right into this video. Okay, now the first method, and that's a very method that a lot of people are just don't look at it, or they presume it's not important, but it is. It's very important. So what you have to do here is just to head over to Windows Update and really ensure that you have the latest updates. If you don't have the latest updates, which means this applies for your graphic card, for your Windows, for your BIOS, for literally everything, you need to have the latest drivers. This will hinder, or this will that's the cause, that's the reason why it's not working usually, because you don't have the latest updates. So please install the latest updates, and also run Steam as administrator. Go to properties, and here in compatibility, make sure you run as administrator, and here in Windows updates, make sure you update Windows from here, and also click on advanced options and then optional updates. And here in optional updates, you should see here some available drivers. If you see, make sure you click on them and click on download. You should see here also the option to download. Make sure you download all the optional drivers, and also head over to GeForce Experience. And here I just installed recently some drivers, so just check here for games. I use for studio because I use a lot of apps, creative apps, DaVinci, Adobe After, so yeah, just click on check for updates and install the drivers here. It's very important. And also make sure you have enough virtual memory. So you click right performance in the appearance and performance, and here head over to advanced. Here click on change, and here we just have to make this calculation 1024. Multiply the amount of RAM you have. I have 60, and the result right here, the result here. Then click on set and OK. If you have 8 memory RAM, giga memory RAM, just right there 8, and then just the result, put it there. And also ms config system configuration, and here make sure you set to the amount, the highest amount of processors you have set on. Click on OK, and now just restart your computer and the game should work just fine. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.